let's talk about Air Jordan 1 High OG Dark Marina Blue. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And you can also follow us on IG at Clones TV. We back. Your boy a little bit under the weather, but the show must go on. Man, we got these Dark Marina Blues in, size 9.5. Got them for the little one. The boy love them. Boy love them. Got them retail on Nike sneakers app, about 170. And man, can't believe I got them. The shoe eventually sold out. And I was on StockX looking at resale today, and it's going for $207, size 9.5, his size, and GOAT 217. So it's a little bit up there on resale. Glad we was able to get them in. Now we're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. I'm gonna turn over the MIC to my boy TRE. Take it away. All right, thank you. We ain't gonna waste no time. Let's get to it. Now, as you can see, damn, shoe is dope. Come with extra shoelaces, white and black. And you already got your blue ones in already. I'm gonna go ahead, take the other one out and hold it up to the camera, let y'all look at it. I mean, man, I kind of feel bad I don't got these for myself, but it's all good. Got them for my son, and the boy love these shoes, man. He can't wait to wear them at school. So let's take a close look at them. You go your inner, your bottom, your outer, and you go your back. And man, these are dope. I mean, the pictures, they don't do no justice, man. I mean, when these shoes came in, I was like, damn, why in the hell I ain't get these for myself? But I could see that boy rocking these with some black jeans or some blue jeans. Man, I mean, these are dope. These are dope. Glad we got them at the house. The boy love them, and they dope. All right. So what say y'all? Are they hot? Are they trash? Did y'all get them or did y'all pass? Y'all let us know down there in the comment section below. All right, we out. Peace. Peace, baby. We out. All right.